Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys, and if you need to find the fuse guys for your panoramic sunroof, moonroof guys, okay, you know the whole roof pretty much opens guys, we'll show you where that fuse is located. Okay, now there could be two possibilities for different fuse sizes depending on what year you have and all that stuff. We'll explain in a little bit. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So this is it guys, right here we have a 2009. Okay, you can see we have the glass roof right there, panoramic roof. So where the fuse is located, let us show you now. We need to go ahead, open the hood of your vehicle. Next to the battery you have guys a fuse box, and right here there is one clip that you need to push back, pull up, and now if you want to remove the cover so it's not in the way, just twist it a little bit, comes out of the hinge, two hinges later you need to install it. The good part now guys, okay, is that you have the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the cover. Bad news, you don't know what those are all about. And in today's video guys we're going to clarify which fuses guys for the panoramic moonroof. So now guys, the fuse that we're looking at is fuse number 18. Okay, fuse number 18. Okay, it is this fuse right here guys. This is a short JK fuse. So we'll have guys the new fuses listed in the description of the video below if you want to check it out. I'll go ahead, pull this one out. Okay, those are a little bit hard to remove sometimes, so you can grab them guys with usually with pliers or a screwdriver, but careful not to damage anything. Okay, the glass came out of this one, but we don't need the glass if we're replacing it anyways. Okay, and it came out. Now usually you can tell, okay, let me put the glass together, by looking through the glass, okay, if the fuse is burnt or not. You can see inside the elements. Sometimes it's hard to do that, so what I would recommend to get a voltmeter guys, and if you're on the market guys for a good voltmeter, consider this one guys. It's amazing. It comes with a true RMS, super accurate reader. I'll definitely recommend it. And we can test now, okay, the fuse connection and see if it's good or if it's bad. Okay, so what I'm going to do, touch each of the elements, okay, right there, and see. This one is bad guys. Okay, there is no beep and doesn't show anything. I'll get a new one. Okay, and now the new one guys, check it out. Okay, it shows 0 and it beeps. So this is the good fuse guys. That's what it looks like. We're going to put it and we're pretty much guys ready to go. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.